Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mike, and today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of online money making. If you've been on the hunt for innovative ways to boost your income from the comfort of your home, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm serving up a buffet of 10 fantastic ideas that could potentially turn your online hustle into a profitable venture. Whether you're a tech-savvy freelancer, a creative content creator, or a curious business mind, we've got something for everyone. But wait, before we dive into these golden opportunities, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth of insights into online success. Alright, without further ado, let's unleash the top 10 online money-making ideas that could change the game for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services, writing, design, programming, etc., to clients on freelance platforms. How to start. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and experience. Bid on relevant projects, showcase a portfolio, and provide excellent work to build a positive reputation. Success tips. Specialize in a niche, build a strong online presence, and consistently deliver high-quality work to attract repeat clients and positive reviews. 2. Online courses. Create and sell video courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, teaching topics you're knowledgeable about. How to start. Choose a topic you're passionate and knowledgeable about. Plan your course content, create engaging videos, and promote your course through social media and online communities. Success tips. Provide valuable and actionable content, engage with your students, and continuously update your courses to stay relevant. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services using unique referral links, earning a commission for every sale made through your links. How to start. Select a niche you're interested in and research affiliate programs. Create content, blog posts, videos, social media posts, promoting the products, services, and include your affiliate links. Success tips. Choose products relevant to your audience, disclose your affiliate relationships, and focus on building trust with your audience through honest recommendations. 4. E-commerce. Start an online store to sell physical or digital products directly to customers. How to start. Choose a niche, source, or create products, and set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Optimize product listings, offer excellent customer service, and market your store. Success tips. Differentiate your products, provide clear product images and descriptions, and implement effective SEO and marketing strategies. 5. Content creation. Create valuable content through platforms like YouTube, podcasts, or blogs, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and donations. How to start. Choose a content format you enjoy and are knowledgeable about. Create high-quality content consistently and engage with your audience. Join relevant monetization programs, for example, YouTube Partner Program, as your audience grows. Success tips. Focus on a specific niche. Be authentic, interact with your audience, and diversify your revenue sources. 6. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce store where you sell products, but a third-party supplier handles inventory and shipping. How to start. Choose a niche. Set up an online store, using platforms like Shopify. Select products from suppliers and promote your store. Success tips. Research reliable suppliers, provide accurate product information, optimize your store for conversions, and offer exceptional customer support. 7. Stock photography videos. Sell your photos and videos on stock platforms for others to use in their projects. How to start. Create high-quality photos and videos on popular and diverse topics. Submit your work to stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Success tips. Focus on trends, keywords, and quality. Consistently upload new content and pay attention to customer feedback to improve your work. 8. Remote consulting. Offer your expertise in areas like business, marketing, or personal development as a remote consultant. How to start. Define your consulting niche. Build an online presence through a professional website and social media. Offer free resources to showcase your expertise and attract clients. Success tips. Build a strong personal brand, showcase case studies and client testimonials, and consistently provide value through your content. 9. Online tutoring. Teach subjects you're proficient in through online tutoring platforms. How to start. Sign up on tutoring platforms like Chegg or VIPKid. Create a detailed profile highlighting your expertise. Conduct engaging and informative tutoring sessions. Success tips. Be patient and understanding with your students. Tailor your approach to their learning styles and continuously improve your teaching methods. 10. App development. Create and sell mobile apps or web applications to solve specific problems or cater to a target audience. How to start. Identify a problem or need in the market. Develop an app that provides a solution. Market your app through app stores, social media, and online communities. Success tips. Focus on user experience and functionality. Gather user feedback for improvements, and keep your app updated to match evolving needs. Remember, each of these online money-making ideas requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to market trends. Success often comes from a combination of hard work, creativity, and persistence. And that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of 10 remarkable online money-making ideas. The journey to financial independence and success begins with that very first step. It's about embracing change, channeling your passions, and exploring the boundless opportunities that the digital landscape has to offer. You've heard these ideas, and now it's your turn to take action. Believe in yourself, push your limits, and don't let fear hold you back. Success rarely comes without a bit of determination and hard work, but the rewards can be absolutely life-changing. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear which idea resonated with you the most and what steps you're taking toward your online success story. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. And if you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with fellow go-getters who are ready to seize the online opportunities waiting for them. Remember, the power to shape your online destiny is in your hands. Keep pushing, keep believing, and keep pursuing your dreams with all your might.